The snow jackpot in this storm goes to Stoughton at 30.9 inches. Winning the jackpot gets you shovel duty and back-breaking cleanup. WBZ's Brandon Truitt is live for us in Stoughton tonight. And Brandon, I'm not sure how many people are celebrating that jackpot tonight.
You know, the snow is great to look at and then becomes the reality that, well, you got to clean it up. This is just one of the snow mounds in a parking lot here at the public library. There's 2.5 feet of snow throughout this entire town, and people here are well aware that they have taken the #1 spot. In fact, the police department actually tweeted out, bragging, boasting that they've gone #1. You're seeing the tweet now where they said, "First place feels good. Canton and Sharon Police, you were great competitors, and we tip our cap to you." Of course, we know more snowfall means more cleanup, and there was a lot of work done here today. Sidewalks, parking lots, and of course driveways too. We spoke with a homeowner who says despite the significant snowfall, he thinks this could have been worse.
It was windy and snowy, but not it wasn't that intense, I guess, the wind-wise, because we've had trees fall on us, not on us, on the house before, and but it wasn't terrible.
How was the cleanup then?
This is as good as it's gonna get. I think as long as we can take our cars out, we're good.
So the good news was the sun was out today and the winds were minimal, so that made it somewhat easier to clean up here. Another thing, the people we spoke with today say that they didn't lose power. Of anyone that we spoke with, outages were relatively minimal here during the storm. We're live in Stoughton. Brandon Truitt, WBZ News.
And that is a good thing. Brandon, thank you.